Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. Today you're going to learn top 5 phrases that you will use when you make plans with your friends. It's coming up. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Inyoung. I'm from South Korea and I've been helping students from all over the world who want to learn Korean language and the culture. If you like to study more about Korean culture and the language with me, please click the subscribe button and give thumbs up and make sure to click the bell so that you don't miss out any single new video. Today's phrases that I'm going to talk about here are all in casual speech. Number 1. 오늘 시간 돼. 오늘 시간 돼. Today, 시간 time, 되다 in this case. This is to become or also means to be okay. In this context, it means to be okay. So, is your time okay today? 오늘 시간 돼? Are you free today? Number 2. 주말 괜찮아? 주말 괜찮아? 주말 괜찮아? Repeat after me. 주말 괜찮아? 주말 is weekend. 괜찮아 is from 괜찮다, also to be okay. Is the weekend okay? 주말 괜찮아? Number 3. 언제 만날래? 언제 만날래? When 만나다, to meet, are underneath le. It's like shall or also means do you want to in English. When do you want to meet? 언제 만날래? When do you want to meet? 언제 만날래? Number 4. 내일 2시 어때? 내일 2시 어때? 내일 tomorrow 2시 is 2 o'clock. 어때? How plus be. How is 2 o'clock tomorrow? 내일 2시 어때? 내일 2시 어때? Number 5. The last one. 언제 약속 잡을까? 언제 약속 잡을까? 언제 is when. 약속 is appointment. Actually, it means plans. Don't get confused with appointments and plans. So if you want to say appointments, it's more like 예약. We use reservation. 오늘 병원 예약이 있어요. I have hospital appointments. 오늘 머리 예약 있어요. I have hair appointments. But 약속 is plans with your friend. Commitments with your friends. 언제 약속 잡을까? In this case, 잡다 is grab. This is an expression. 약속을 잡다, grab commitment. Okay? 언제 약속 잡을까? 을까 is shall. 언제 약속 잡을까? When shall we grab a plan? When shall we grab commitment? 언제 약속 잡을까? Okay, so let's recap 5 phrases today that we learned. 오늘 시간 돼? 주말 괜찮아? 언제 만날래? 내일 2시 어때? 언제 약속 잡을까? I hope these phrases are useful for you. If you like this video today, this is a video you may find interesting as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!